Hello, my dear children. Welcome to Bharat Mada Google Classroom. Children, let's have a quick recap of what we have learned in the previous class. Hope you remember Raja's story. In the last class, we have discussed my home. Okay, who is Raja? Raja is a small boy of your age, and he is living with whom? He's living with his grandparents. What happened to his mother? His mother died and father left him with his grandparents. And he loves his grandmother and grandfather very much. And one more person is there in their home, that is his uncle. And his uncle is young and very clever, and he helped Raja in all the matters. Okay, shall we move on to the next part? Let's go. At home, I did not have any friend to play with. Grandfather did not like my going out to play with other children. He believed that I would be spoiled if I did so. Other children did not like to come to our house because they were afraid of grandfather. So, children, this Raja did not have any friend to play with, and his grandfather did not allow him to go out and play with other children because he believed that if he go out and play with other children, his character will be spoiled. Okay, and the other children, they don't want to come to his house because they were all afraid of grandfather. Now look at the picture. Then let's find out how this boy got spending his time. Okay, yet life with grandfather was not dull. I liked my home and the very large garden all around it. There were many trees in the garden, coconut trees, mango trees, and other kinds of trees. There were birds, butterflies, and honeybees. There were many tanks with plenty of fish in them. Kingfishers, storks, and other water birds came to the tank to catch the fish. So, children, how he is spending his time? He likes that large garden around his home. There were many trees in the garden. Which are the trees mentioned here? Coconut trees, mango trees, and other kind of trees. There were birds, butterflies, and honeybees. And apart from that, there are many tanks with plenty of fish in them, and some birds used to come there to catch the fish. Which are the birds? Kingfishers, storks, and other water birds. Stork means that a long-legged bird like crane. Okay. In a corner of the compound was a grove where trees, shrubs, and creepers grew wild. Jackals, mongooses, wildcats, and owls lived in the grove. So what is a grove, children? The place where a group of plants grew together. Okay. So, in the corner of the compound, there was a grove where trees, shrubs, and creepers grew wild. Shrubs means a type of woody plants. Okay. So, and what happens there? Jackals, mongooses, and cats, wild cats, and owls lived in that grove. Okay. We had many cows, bulls, and bullocks. Little cows played and ran about in our garden. I liked to play with the cows and I liked to watch the birds in the garden. I looked for jackals coming out of the grove. I ran after mongooses and I caught butterflies and reptiles. So, this is the way he spent his time. Okay, so he liked to play in his garden and he liked to play with calves and to watch birds in the garden, and he looked for jackals coming out of the grove, and he ran after mongooses. He used to catch butterflies and reptiles. Okay, So that is Raja's life there. Okay. Now let us look at the questions and answers. We saw many things around Raja's house. List them out. What are the things that you can see around Raja's house? Hmm? One answer they have given coconut trees, and what else can you see? Mango trees, garden. Then what else? Birds, butterflies, honeybees, fish tank, fish, calves, etc. Okay. What brings more colors to Raja's life? You know? Yes, playing with all these things. Okay. So what is the answer? Playing with calves, watching the birds in the garden, looking for jackals coming out of the grove, running after mongooses, and catching butterflies brings more colors to Raja's life. Okay, so children, write the meaning of all these underlined words in your English note, and after that you can write these questions and its answers. Okay, then we will be meeting with the next part of Raja's story in the very next class, that is making a shower. Okay.